So we will see trading mechanisms on Indian Stock Exchange. What are the trading mechanisms of the Indian Stock Exchange? Trading mechanism on stock exchange. So what are the tradings of the stock exchange? What are the trading mechanisms? So how the trading is made? So as per the trading, it is a buying and selling of securities. So how we will buy and how we will sell? In this mechanism, what are the mechanism we will see? So trading is nothing but buying and selling. So trading of shares, that is stocks, or securities means buying and selling of securities or stocks. So how the trading is made? On the basis of every stock exchanges have certain listed securities and permitted securities which are traded on it. And also members of the stock exchanges alone are entitled on trading, and also interested investors can buy or sell the securities in the stock exchanges with the help of members, that is nothing but brokers. So stock brokers of the stock exchanges. So with the help of stock brokers, they can buy and sell. Members of the stock exchange and investors. So interested investors, they can buy or sell. So on the basis of what? With the help of members, that is stock brokers. So how the trading is made? So the following types of the trading. So on the basis of outcry system. Types of trading. So how the trading is? Outcry system. So that is open outcry system. So it is an outdated system. So in older days, that is being traded in this system. That is outdated. It is also known as outdated system. So next is screen-based trading. So screen-based trading. So as you see that on the screens, the trading, that is buying and selling, what the rate of that stock, what the point has been traded on that stock, and also what the selling price, what the buying price. So that all seen on the screen. That is nothing but a screen-based system. That is the process of buying and selling of securities online, presently using system. So this is the presently using system, that is screen-based trading. So on the screen you will see the trading details, that is buying price and selling price, and also it is the buying, what the buying price, what the selling price. So investors will see on the screen. This is the present using system, that is process of buying securities online. So it is a process of online. Okay, next step, day trading or intraday trading. So day trading, so it is also known as intraday trading. So day trading also known as intraday trading. So you can buy and sell on that day only. You can buy on that day and you can sell on that day only. So it is nothing but in buying and selling of stocks on the same trading day. That is buying and selling of stocks on same trading day. And also next delivery trading. That is, so you can buy today and you can sell on any day. And next, margin trading. Margin trading, that is trading with borrowed funds or securities. So trading with borrowed funds. So in simple, marginal trading is nothing but trading with the borrowed funds. So open outcry system, that is outdated, and also screen based trading, that is online. So presently using this system, and also day trading, that is intraday. On that day only, on trading day only, you can buy and sell. Okay, delivery trading, that is you can buy today and you can sell on any time, today or day after tomorrow or 1 year after or year 5 years after. So you can sell on any day. Okay, but day trading is a intraday trading is a that trading day only you must buy and sell. But delivery trading, that is you can buy today and sell on any day. So you can sell after 1 year, 2 year, 5 year, 10 year. So next, marginal trading. Marginal trading is the trading where the trading with borrowed fund. So you can borrow the fund and trade it. So it's not your fund, but you can borrow and you can trade. So that is the types of trading: open outcry system, screen based system, day trading or intraday trading, delivery trading, that is marginal trading. These are all some types of trading. So these are the some trading and advantages of the open outcry system. So the noise that is heard and seen in the pit help traders to determine the velocity or volatility of the market, and also the trading market serves a great exercise for the new players who wants to enter into the business, and all these are some advantages. And so presently it is a screen based trading, that is online trading. You can have the knowledge about the trading. Okay, with this you can trade. Okay, so firstly you must have Demat account. To open Demat account, you can have the brokers like Upstox and also Zerodha, and as I told yesterday, and also some other stock brokers like ICICI Direct, HDFC Securities, and also Aditya Birla Money, and also Paytm Money Limited. So some main, that is Zerodha and Upstox. These are the brokers. With the help of them, you can create a Demat account and also you can start a trading. And so these are the some concepts of trading. So after making Demat account, so you can have screen based system, that you will get a screen. On that screen you can watch which shares you want. You can add to your account and you can trade. With the help of that, you can start the trading. And the link between your savings and Demat account is made. If you want money for trading, then you can take from savings to Demat account. you can take the amount from savings to demat account, and after collecting that amount you can trade. So you can trade what you have the money on that. If you have 1000 means you can have a 100 rupee share of 10, and so on. You can start a trading. And open class system is outdated. So in older days it would be there, but presently it is a screen-based system. With the help of your PC, that is computers, or with the help of your mobile, you can start a trading. So that is day trading means intraday trading. So you can have a shares of intraday trading. That is, you can buy the trading day, that is today, and you can sell it today only. If you don't sell it means that automatically it will be sold. Okay, so that is a day trading. So you can have a shares that is on today, and also you can sell at a today only on trading day, and also intraday trading, that is present day, that is trading day only you can buy and sell. So you can buy and sell, but that is in stock market or in trading, in stock trading, you can firstly sell and buy. That is, you can also buy and sell and buy. Okay. And also next thing, delivery trading. That is, you can buy today and you can sell it in any day. So, and next thing, marginal trading. It is a trading with borrowed fund. So you can have a borrowed fund and trade. With that amount, you can trade. So these are some basics about the trading. And also, we will have a trading. You can watch live trading. Okay, so we will see in next classes. So in trading, that is, you can trade intraday. So you can purchase intraday or delivery. So intraday, on the same trading day, you can buy and sell. Okay. So delivery, for delivery, you can buy and sell. Any upcoming day. So intraday is a day, that is, you can trade on the same day. You can buy and sell on the same day. So trading, that is, you can buy and sell on the same day. So okay, delivery is nothing but buying today and selling on upcoming day. You can sell on any day. So intraday. So in intraday, you can buy today and you must sell today only. Okay. And in trading, and that is in stock market, you can also first sell and next you can buy. That is short selling. This is nothing but a short selling. Short selling. you can firstly sell. Like example, Tata Motors. Its present price is 500 rupees. Okay, it is falling. It is falling downward. That is falling, but market is towards what? Bull, bear. So bull means it is moving towards upwards. Bear means downwards. Okay. So Tata Motors is coming downwards. So then you should buy, not buy. You should firstly sell at 500, and it is falling towards 450. Then you must buy at 450. Then you will earn 50 points. So that is the profit. 50 points is a profit. Okay. So if you buy means, if you buy at 500, then if you sell at 450 means as 50 rupees is a loss. But what they will make? Firstly, they will sell at 500. They will not buy. Firstly, the share would be sold at, the Tata Motors share would be sold at 500, and at 450 it is enough. So you must watch the news and also watch the information related to the stock exchanges. So some of the channels are there for only stock markets. So what is, they will supply the information. Okay, you must know that. So either the Tata Motors is increasing, then you must buy it. That is, it is in a bull statement, you should buy it. Then it is bear statement, that is, you must short sell that share. That is, at 500 you must sell and you must buy at 450. Then the 50 points you will earn. Okay. So in this situation, okay, it is in a bear state. Bull means the market is towards upwards. So bear means downwards. So that is falling. So it is moving upwards. Okay. So in this situation, it is falling. You have bought at 500 and the Tata Motors share price is decreasing. So then you will sell at 450. Then the 50 points is, you lose 50 points. That is 50 rupees you will lose. Okay, for per share I am telling. Okay, 50 points you will lose. So that's why this short selling is very important to the investors. So if the market is in downfall, you would make a short sell. So buy at sell at 500 and buy at 450. Okay, this is all about the some basic importance of the intraday and delivery. So we will take one example, that is Tata Motors. Share price, today's share price is price is 500, opening price, and it is towards bull stage, that is moving upwards, that is like 500, 501, 503, so moving upwards. Okay, so you can buy at 501 or 502. So buy at this price and sell at this price. Okay, then you can earn 4 rupees, that is 4 points. You can earn 4 points. So if you buy at 501 and you can sell at 502, then you earn 502. Okay, but the market is downwards, that is 500, 499, 498, 98.00, 490. Okay, it is downwards. It is moving downwards. Then you should make a short sell. Short sell of Tata Motors. Okay, at 500 you should buy and sell at what? How much? This or this. Okay. It is continuously flowing. Okay. You can see or watch. Okay, live trading. Then you will know that the prices, how it is moving. Okay. In seconds it is moving upwards, downwards. We can't imagine. Okay. So like you can buy at 500 and you can sell at 490. Okay. Sorry. You can buy, sell at 500 and you can buy, that is short sell. You can buy at 500 and you can sell 490. Then you will earn how much? 10 points profit. So in this situation only, if you buy at 500 but you can sell at 490, then you would lose 10 points. Okay, I am telling one step. So there are many shareholders, they will have thousands, lakhs together of shares of this company, some other companies. So more companies are there. So you can have one company shares, or like you can have like one investors tell that. So invest. Don't invest. Don't invest in a single basket. So don't put apples in a single basket. So they will tell that don't put in a single